Yeah, what can I say? It was really a 0-0 game, but Harare City had more chance than what we had, especially in the second half. And sometimes I don't understand the players not. We have on the front side very small guys, and all the time they're playing the whole high balls to the small guys. Of course, you cannot get a good attack if you do that. But we have to live with it. This is what we have. 0-0. I'm not happy with it, but we have to focus on the next game. And there's 60 games to go. And only what we have to do is that we're going better attack. But that was today, it was nothing. I was not happy with what I saw today. That's why I lose my voice, because it was so many mistakes, so many wrong decisions, so many times what you think, why are you doing that actually? But yeah, I can say it was not our day, but it was the second time when it was not our day. But this is not acceptable. We have to talk very seriously with these guys, how they want to play football, how we want to play football. But this is not acceptable anymore.